burp the grill. There we go. It's back.
Hello there, I'm David Flatman and I am here on a wet, sort of drizzly day, lovely day in the West Country with Kamado Joe, and we are doing a Six Nations sort of cook-off challenge. First up, representing Wales in the 40-minute challenge, is someone who has scored over 40 tries for Wales. I mean, actually, technically 41, so just about over 40. Wales international, British and Irish Lions international, George North. George, hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Very well, thanks. Yeah,
Bonadar. What are you cooking?
I'm cooking Bechdan Cig ar hog, which translates to deluxe steak sandwich.
Steak sarnie, yeah.
Steak sandwich deluxe.
Yeah, Philly cheesesteak.
Yeah.
What actually is that great lump of beef you're cooking there?
This is ribeye on the bone from a good friend of mine, Ollie, who's brought only the sexiest beef.
Yeah.
And I've got 40 minutes, so I kept it nice and simple, but hopefully it'll be banging.
Yeah, when you're at home, the timings don't matter so much, but when you're on camera, and you've got someone gobby on the mic assessing you like I am, or sort of commentating as you go, there's potential for failure and humiliation, isn't there?
Yeah, simple is the key, but naturally, as you well know, things can go wrong.
Yeah, but you're good under pressure. You've got 350 caps. You're going to be absolutely fine. So that is a rib on the bone, is it? Ribeye steak on the bone. Is that what we're talking about?
Yeah, but if you were going to say Welsh, you'd say Bechdan steak ar hog.
Yeah, but I wouldn't, would I?
Or Arbennig, if you wanted to.
Yeah, but I wouldn't, would I? I wouldn't
Because
say
it's
that.
Six Nations Welsh challenge. Red hat on.
Are you gonna?
Red barbecue.
Are you keeping it simple, or are you going very complicated with this?
I'm going colour by numbers. I'm going very simple. Trying to use the time wisely, do it well, do it properly.
Tell us what you're going to do with it exactly.
Essentially, make it like a real deluxe steak sandwich. I thought, obviously, it's all very Welsh produce. So, the lovely meat is from Pembrokeshire. The ciabatta is somewhere in Wales, apparently.
Yeah,
there is a shop in Wales.
Newport Services, we got that actually on the way
Yeah,
up.
I'm not sure. Obviously, Welsh red onions, known for our Welsh red onions.
Yeah.
Leeks.
Are the Welsh red onions any different from the ones we get over here?
Yeah, they're redder. Bit of Welsh watercress and some Hallen Morn, which is some salt from Anglesey, which I'm from, and the obviously bone marrow as well, Pembrokeshire. So we've keeping it Welsh, red hat, red barbecue, and then if all else fails, I'm going to keep highlighting the fact I've got a red hat on, using the red barbecue for Wales. And let's put salt on the biff. Do both sides, obviously. There's two sides to every story.
So this beef is from Meat Matters, isn't it?
Meat Matters
Our
from
mate
Pembrokeshire.
Ollie, over in Wales.
Dairy cow, so it's beautiful, well sourced. Give a quick rubbing around.
And it is, I've eaten quite a lot of this beef, won't surprise you, and it is different gravy.
Yeah, just etch across the fat, give it a bit of a crisp side.
Via Yokohama.
Yeah, but there's a dragon. Dragon there.
It's nice.
Look at
It's
that
really
there.
nice.
So,
it's all about knives.
So in terms of prep, that's me done.
Well done. Yeah, good stuff. I don't know how you thought
What
this
are we
up.
doing for timing? Are we good?
Yeah, you got 39.5 minutes left. Your season's been
Perfect.
quite intense so far.
I've pitched for about 170.
Yeah.
We're a little bit hot at the moment just because obviously we're a bit time.
Don't worry about that. You've opened it on a cold day. That'll disappear soon
Yeah,
enough.
I've got a heat deflector on one side and the grid up high. So it's a bit like it's got 40 minutes to cook. And I got the cast iron grill just nice and low so I can sear it right at the end, the old reverse sear.
So you're going to put it indirect and get it
Indirect
up to temp
for
and then
40
sear it,
minutes.
are you?
Yeah, it's a little bit
Not
hot.
telling
I'm
you
gonna
what
put
to
the
do.
fat on there and the fat towards the heat side. Right, I'll see you in
Yeah, see you in 34 minutes.
see you in 34 minutes.
So you're getting it up to temp indirect, so not directly above
Yeah.
fire, and then you're putting it somewhere very, very hot to give it
Just
a bit
to
of
sear
colour
it off,
and
just get all
sear
that
it off.
taste and
Yeah.
just capture it all in.
Yeah, and beast a bit of that fat so we can eat the fat as well. I mean, you might not eat
You
that.
can eat that. I'm an athlete. I'll be lunging home after this.
Yeah, I'll have a steak sandwich, and then right at the end I'll just have a little fat sandwich.
Yeah.
Yeah, just when everyone else is gone. And what's that? Talk to me about that bone marrow. What's going to happen with that?
I'm making a red onion and bone marrow melt. I'm going to slice the onions up nice and thin and then let the bone marrow heat up in there, scrape it in, melt it down.
Oh yeah, I can hear a helicopter. That is Anthony Watson.
Yeah.
He's coming by. Hell of a guy. He only lives 10 minutes away. Amazing. Chill out, Tone. He's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. Let's talk about Wales, England, because
There is other games, mind.
There aren't. Well, no, France, England will be a good one. Otherwise, yeah. But it's an interesting one because Wales, we like to think, we English like to think that England is everyone's biggest game. And then what happens is, in sporting terms, the Welsh call the English arrogant. They sort of feed off that. But then they do tell everyone that it's their biggest game as long as you beat the English. So what you actually do is reinforce our arrogance and make it seem like we're actually right, not arrogant. We're actually getting it right. Is it the biggest game? You can't say yes now, but you can if you want.
It is one of the bigger games, for sure. Obviously, like the history behind the game, well, the stereophonics for it, a song, didn't it, as long as you beat the English.
Yeah.
But look, if you look at form of late, you know, France, Ireland, huge games. Obviously, the French at the moment are unbelievable form as well. Looking at their club games. But yeah, at the moment, and the Six Nations is so heavily contested. It is tough.
Right, what are you doing with the leeks?
Well, I actually bought the leeks because it looks more Welsh in the shop.
Yeah, I know. I wonder if we're going to actually eat those.
So there's no actual reason for the leek. If you want a leek, you can have a leek.
Oh, it's just these are just to look good.
Yeah, because it's Welsh, isn't it?
Do you know, I think I love a leek on a barbecue, just chucked on a KJ and left.
Do you know what? This
Yeah.
is impromptu because this is not in my plan. I could
Yeah.
do it for you if you want.
If you stuck them on and left them, I'll eat them.
Should I tuck two on for you? Because
Yeah, stick them on.
I'm gonna-
I'd honestly put them on and leave them. They're great on a grill.
So what I've done is I actually brought it to make it look more Welsh, but actually pleasing the host. So hopefully
Yeah.
the score is going to go my way.
I mean, I won't touch the beef. I'll just eat the old thing. I'll stick to the leeks, yeah. Let's have a look at your meat.
I beg your pardon?
Yeah, you heard. Oh, look at that.
I don't know,
Look at that.
Check the temp quickly, 1 second.
What's your numbers?
Oh yeah, I think we're at just getting to 50 now. So I'm going to get off to rest now for a second. You can make that noise too if you wish.
Oh, yeah.
And then I'm just going to,
Oh, God, look at that.
while that's resting, I'm going to open it up a bit. Get a little bit more heat in there to sear it off.
Right, you ready to sear that, are you, George?
Yeah, the temperature's up. We're going to get it on to sear. Probably going to sear it just for a minute each side, just to lock that taste in. There might be a small chance I might lose my eyebrows here.
That's all right. Pull your hat down. Go on.
That's the thing now.
I don't want you to do anything that delays it, basically. So if you just get it out, please. Look at that beaut.
So now let that rest for a minute
Look at that beaut.
while I get everything else sorted. This is one portion.
Yeah, what you having? Yeah.
So,
Are you going to toast that on the grill, are you?
Yeah, it's me and you, isn't it? So I'm going to toast it quickly.
Yeah.
So I'm going to do it in one.
I mean, you're probably off carbs, aren't you? Because you're meant to be.
I had a carb about 3 weeks ago.
Yeah, so you can have another one.
I can have a couple more carbs now. Yeah.
I mean, I haven't had any carbs genuinely now since I had a artisan cinnamon bun for breakfast. But don't worry about that.
That's sliced up. Lovely Welsh ciabatta. So there it is. This is my steak sandwich deluxe, or Brechdan steak arbennig. I know you're going to nail that by the end of the day.
Yeah.
And this is what I would say is all Welsh produce, and what I would like to eat while watching a game of rugby, I think.
I mean, this is representing Wales. This is your Six Nations cook-off effort for Kamado Joe, and I'm enjoying looking at it, but I'm getting quite frustrated now. So can you chop it in half, please?
For sure. How hungry are you?
11 out of 10.
I don't make a mess.
I haven't left any room in my mouth to breathe. I can't breathe. I breathe out my ears. That's indecent. That's outrageous, that. Well done, George.
I'm happy with that.
Yeah.
Very happy.
So am I.
The problem is I know what's going to happen. I'm going to eat this and it's going to fall over my face.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
He's biting.
Oh my god. Well done, George. That is special food.
Can you say it in Welsh, please? Die down.
Deal. George. Amazing effort, outrageous effort. Lots of Welsh ingredients, represented Wales very nicely indeed. that will take some beating. In terms of the time limit, I think he got in about 39 minutes and 59 seconds-ish. Frankly, I'm inclined to let him off if he ran over a little bit because it was so tasty. However, if it comes down to a split decision, he might lose out on time. Amazing sandwich, wonderful stuff. It's the best sandwich I've had in days.